Are you buried in your child's memorabilia? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Stay tuned and check it out. If you have a child, they come with paper and lots of it. And those are memories that you really want to treasure and safeguard. But after a while, that paper starts piling up and you don't know what to do with it. I tell you, there's a solution for that, and I call it a box. A box is a perfect way to keep you honest and corral all those papers and save just the most important ones that you want to hold on to and pass on to your child. So we're going to go through the method that I started with my son, and hopefully this can work for you. You may have all of your child's memorabilia in bags like I did, one for each school year that were handed to me by his teacher on the last day of school. It can get pretty overwhelming. So to get started on organizing all of this memorabilia, first start sorting and sort everything, both artwork and papers, by school grade year. You'll see how much you have per year, and those early years always seem to have more items because you save more when your kids are younger. And you also have to thank those preschool and kindergarten teachers for all of those creative in-class art projects. At this point, you may want to review a little more to be sure you're only keeping the most important memories. After a few edits, you're left with the items that you really want to save. I then dedicate one folder per grade and create a fun cover sheet for each year with their school photo on each folder. Now, as each school year comes and goes, I can drop in report cards, awards, concert programs, artwork, and class projects as they come in. Okay, this is Max's memory box as it stands now. I have been collecting some items on my desk in a box, and I do recommend that you keep a folder or a box nearby that you can capture those treasures as they come in, and then when you have time, go to the memory boxes to put them in. So we're going to do the rest of his memories right now. We have a 6th grade memory here, and then we have some 7th grade, some concert programs, some report cards. A lot of the report cards are now coming digitally, so if that's the case, awesome. You can create folders online for your children to capture all those memories and maybe those school papers that they've written. We have 8th grade here. And then 9th grade. Max is in his spring semester of 9th grade, and we have more stuff coming in. Concert today, very excited, so I'll have something added to this folder later today. But as you can see, as they get older, the folders get a little thinner. They aren't bringing home all that artwork like they do in kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade. It's becoming more paper, digital, and more just like the photos and concert programs. So I think this box will serve us well for the next 3 years, and I look forward to passing this on to Max when it's time. There you have it, your child's memories in a box. You might have to do a little editing, but you'll have the peace of mind knowing that you have saved the most important treasures that you will love to have and that your child will cherish for years to come. If you like this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary wishing you, from my home to yours, a very happy, organized day.